It's time for a message from the future. Future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, Wicked family. In today's video we are going to talk about, once again, a retro game portable system. But we're going to talk about the new one. Let's do a little bit of recap. We did a review about the normal. This is just the retro game. We did the version, the Retro Game Pro. But we have a new version. Let's take a close look. What are the differences? When it comes in, I'm going to do an extended testing and of course and review. Alright, the question is, what did they change? The first thing they changed is this. We have an analog stick. The funny thing is, if you're looking, you cannot see it here on the camera. But if you look at the PCB board, you already see some contacts here. So I am guessing they're still using the same main board. Alright, what do we have more? I think the analog stick is the most or the biggest improvement of this thing, because everywhere I look they're promoting it. Still using the old battery. No, they also did the change a little bit of swapping here too, because look at this. Here at the side we're finding the battery and now it's in the middle. Wait a sec. I'm guessing they did another change, because this version also got the CF slot and in this loose cartridge. And I'm guessing they removed that too. Yes, indeed, there's also a little bit of an upgrade. They decided to make just a little slot for the CF card. Again, the 3D control. I must say, I really love the D-pad of this thing, or both things, both retro game systems. But I was missing indeed an analog stick sometimes with some games like Street Fighter. But nevertheless, alright, when it comes in, again, I'm going to do a little bit of a extended testing video, because I really love to know. Oh, I see another thing. Here we have the CF card. We can just swap it for the internal firmware. So that is also a very big improvement. You don't need to screw it open again for improving the software or giving it an upgrade. So yeah. Let's see. And there was somewhere that were they pointing out that this thing has an EPS screen. I can still remember. Or this. Let's see if we can. No. There was a seller, not this one, who was saying there was an EPS screen on it. But yeah, nevertheless, we're going to see it when it comes in. So yeah, that concludes this video. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family. And if you're into gaming, check out my gaming channel. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.